live on this channel, guys. Come on down to the channel if you got time. We are live. Guys, come on down to the channel. Come on down to the chat. We are live on this channel. We are live on this chat, guys. I am a little bit smaller today. So, oh, there we go. Come on down to the channel. Come on down to the chat. We're going to dive into comments. We're going to dive into prices. Just the general stuff that we usually deal into. We're going to deal on some of that stuff. Into the comments, into the prices, maybe into the news a bit, but not too much. Just because the news is kind of just probably the same crap. I could already guess what it is. So we can dive into a little of these things. It's like we're getting some news out of Binance a couple hours ago. So I looked at this morning and it was nothing. It looks like now Binance has given us some news. World's largest crypto exchange freezes US dollar withdrawals. So we'll check this little article out. We'll check out some of this stuff. We'll look at some of these. It looks like some newer articles that I didn't see this morning. We'll go through, guys. So, guys, if you want to ever come on the channel, guys, today I'm giving away Bitcoin Cash right here in this box. You just come right here and introduce yourself, say why you're, how long you've been in crypto, that kind of thing. Hold up your QR code, and I basically send you Bitcoin Cash. So, going through the channel, guys, going through the chat, I am the TA, Lake Dog, guys. So, I don't know if we'll keep the name. It's starting to grow on me a bit. But, guys, yeah, we'll move right through this, move into the prices, move into some of this stuff. Prices are good. In my opinion, guys, because we're not looking at one price of any one coin. We're moving into some conceptual stuff, some timeline stuff. I'm going to be dropping a video here after this live. Check out, guys. It's just me basically going through some of these entry points, going through some of these timelines for you. The timelines are really the main thing in crypto you want to look at. I mean, that is the main thing, because without the timelines and you don't really have a strong argument, really, right? You got to have a strong argument with the timelines. So, guys, we are live. Come on down. We'll get going here in just a second here. Just kind of going through some of this stuff. Guys, we are live. Come on down. We'll throw it in again. We'll throw it in again. Guys, throw it in the chat if you are live. We are live on the channel, on the chat. We'll go ahead and just jump right into it, guys. We'll go into some of these prices. So we're looking at some of these prices in a conceptual way, guys. And what I mean by that is we're looking at general trends in time. General trends in time, general points in time where market makers are moving a dollars, Bitcoin, whatever you want to call it. We'll look at different various pairs, but most of it's Tether and Bitcoin. All right, BTC, what everybody calls Bitcoin. There are trading pairs on Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash on some of these, but for the most part, it's USD Tether. It's Tether, guys, the largest stable coin, dollar for dollar, and the most successful up till this point. And BTC, guys. So two coins. I'm not, what am I going to come on here and say, guys? What am I going to say? That BTC isn't doing the majority of the market cap right here? It is. I mean, of course it is. Binance is doing alone 110 Bitcoins worth of volume, BTCs. So when we switch it on BTC, We're looking at a BTC market, guys, with a 40, almost, I think 40%. I think BTC Bitcoin has, I think 40% market share at this point. So what I want to succeed and what I like are two different things, guys. You know, in terms of market cap, if we're looking directly at market cap, yes, this is the wrong channel for you guys, because I'm not going to be able to deliver to you, you know, at any specific time. You know, I can't sit here and say, hey, these are the prices on these Bitcoin markets. They're always going to be under Bitcoin. You know, there's other stuff behind driving these markets, guys. Mining is a major thing. Energy costs, geopolitical issues among some of these coins. There's a lot more behind this than just the pump of the week or the dog shit story of the week. I mean, we're talking about, do you guys notice I never come on here and give you like a thorough technical analysis on a short-term play on any of these cryptos? Why would I, guys? That's what I'm trying to get to you. Why would I? There'd be no point. It'd be like me trying to give you a technical analysis on Vibrate. You know what I mean? It's pointless. We can't follow really any general trend other than maybe the halving, you know, the halving calculation on BTC. You know, that would be kind of the only thing that's paired up on a log graph. But other than that, guys, we're pretty much, you know, in the Wild West indefinitely for some of these investments, guys, because we just don't know. We can't sit here and say that just because the longest one, it's been the best one. We've seen how these meme coins alone catch popularity. Dogecoin to name one, Pepe to name another. So the worldwide adoption of Bitcoin Core could indefinitely be the worldwide adoption, guys. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. I'm not a, you know, I'm not one of those deny the facts type people. So the markets right now are against BTC. That doesn't mean I'm going to come on here and start talking about Bitcoin more. It simply means that that's just the market share now, where the trading pairs are now on these crypto exchanges. And guys, if you haven't noticed, most of these crypto exchanges are BS. You know, there's, you know, Robinhood, Binance, they're all just exchanges, guys. Use them like a public toilet and leave. You don't stick around and do, I mean, they're all generally, what can you do for me? And we basically just loan them all of our money by leaving it on the exchange. It's going to be like that. I think I heard that public toilet thing on RBTC, guys. You can check it out. I think I saw it on one of the top comments there. My point is, we're here to take our cryptos off the exchanges, because once enough crypto gets in the wallets of holders, actual people holding this stuff, rather than just market makers on the exchange, there's not really a limit to which one can dominate. I mean, it can all, you know, there's just no way to tell which one will be the market peg. Right now it's BTC, but there's a lot of other pegs too, guys. I mean, Tether is a main one that's on. I would say the Tether peg is probably more important than the BTC peg at this point. It's just an opinion, guys. Take it with a grain of salt. You know my theories behind Ethereum attempting to stake the entire BTC network. So, I mean, it's how far you want to read into it, how far you want to go. We can do major speculation. We can focus on more of the relative events, you know, that are relative to, you know, the mainstream news. It's kind of wherever we want to do on these live streams, because I mean, we got a lot of news coming out too. You got crypto giants Binance, US affiliate halts direct dollar withdrawals. Now this has happened before, guys. Just to let you know, this happened not too long ago. I want to say it happened like maybe 2 months ago. My sense of time, guys, isn't the greatest, honestly. It could have happened. Now that I'm thinking about it, this might have been something back in March. I feel like it's been recent, where Binance halts transfers of dollars to Binance. Remember, guys, Binance.com is not the same as Binance.us. What everybody in America uses for Binance.us has no relevance, really. Binance US is a small pimple in the amount of volume and the amount of size of Binance. I don't know how many times bigger Binance.com is, but I think I read one time Binance US is like under 10%. I think it was around like 2 or 3%. I could be wrong on that, but you know, maybe it's changed since then. But my point is Binance.com is the mothership. The other ones, you know, Binance US, wherever they have, you know, in Japan, I don't know where all the artificial lines draw the dictation on where Binance.com is, but Binance.com is where it's at, guys, not Binance.us. So Binance US is probably accepting dollars. I would say if you have a Binance account, drop it in the account or drop it in the comments section and let me know. But I would assume that Binance US is working perfectly functionable, almost as a gag at this point, guys, because when I see articles like this, I actually start kind of getting a little bit, you know, I think these are kind of funny, honestly. So world's largest crypto exchange freezes US dollar withdrawals, stoking fear of collapse. And I'm not even going to read any more of this article, but I hope they're talking about dollars collapsing, because we all know Binance and BTC isn't going anywhere, guys. So the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, stopped all withdrawals of US dollars from its American platform on Thursday. Okay, guys, interesting. The company did not provide a reason for halting withdrawals, but said customers could convert US dollars into stablecoin or other cryptocurrencies in order to use their funds. In the event that customers wish to withdraw US dollars from their account, they may do so by converting US dollar funds to stablecoins or other digital assets, which can subsequently be withdrawn, Binance said. On Monday, Binance.us also notified users the company's account were not insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, which typically offers insurance $250,000 bank accounts for traditional banks. According to the company, Binance was forced to email customers with the updated terms of service in accordance with the guidance sent by the FDIC. New terms of service outline and not legal tender, nor is it backed by any government. Past June, commission operating exchange under register. Where is CZ talking? I don't want to hear about any of this stuff. Talking, guys. Maybe it'd help if you were actually on the article. Guys, there you can check out the article if you like. I'm not going to read on it, guys, honestly. People need to get pro-crypto, guys. People need to be fucking pro-crypto. Stop letting this stuff worry you, guys. This is fucking garbage, honestly. This is something they're trying to blow out of proportion. They're still taking deposits on dollars. How about that? How about that? Why is everybody worried about withdrawals? You guys want dollars back? Just go to stable coins. What's the big fucking deal? You get stable coins and then you withdraw your money. You know? I don't get it. This is probably something you can read a billion fucking times on YouTube right now. This is likely what everybody's talking about. What I'm going to tell you is this shouldn't worry you, because they're still accepting deposits, guys. Why would you be worried about withdrawals? And if you were, they're just saying you got to go to stable coins to do it. You got to go to Tether, then you hit the withdraw button from Tether rather than withdrawing it from BTC or whatever market pair you're trading it with. But yeah, somebody unenthused with the idea of decentralization would be like, oh my God, I need to go sell my crypto now because, you know, customers outraged over Winklevoss twins secret 282 million crypto withdraw. You didn't tell anyone. Ah, come on. Come on, guys. I don't think the Winklevoss twins are too worried about what people think, guys. And honestly, I'm not too worried about what people think of them, to be quite fair. Cardano creator Charles Hoskins says game of crypto versus CBDCs now underway. Here's what that means. So we might get some price pump from Cardano now, just based on this stuff. Every time Charles Hoskinson speaks, it seems like we get some type of pump, but, you know. Sorry for all these ads, guys. Maybe I should just buy a pair of fucking jeans so these stop coming up. It's not a game of Ethereum versus Cardano versus Algorand versus Solana. If you think that's the game, we've already lost. CBDCs, that's the game. Yeah, the crypto. You know there's social credit and CBDCs for 1.2 billion people in China. That it's coming. It's already rolling it out. Yeah, guys, China released CBDCs back in 2020, guys. If you guys didn't know, they did it where they gave out CBDCs around the holiday season in China, and basically, they gave because if you go to China, guys, you just I've never been, but from what I've seen online, you tap to pay. It's either WeChat or a few other Alipay, Alibaba, these kind of big mainstream connected government entities that are Chinese Googles, Chinese fucking Yahoos, Chinese fucking Facebooks, basically. You basically just tap your phone, right? There's a QR code, you tap it. So it's already set up as crypto is set up on the front end user perspective. So crypto is literally in China, anything Chinese, guys, Chinese payment infrastructure is all set up Chinese. So crypto could easily convert into Chinese and people wouldn't even know the difference. But what I'm trying to get you to paint you a picture of is the People's Republic of China mainland China gave parts of these provinces like stimulus checks that were on their phone. So there's this circulating connection to these certain provinces using CBDCs already. They're already using them. It's already a thing. Like when Chinese government tells you you're going to do something, that is just simply what's happening. There's not a discussion of, oh, there's people in certain provinces of China that are likely already using CBDCs most of the time, guys. And they're already under social credit systems, which you can read up on that. That's a whole separate topic. But, that is the case. That is the actual what's going on there, guys. So we're not going to read too much on this, but Charles Hoskinson does have a good point. It is CBDCs versus crypto. And I believe crypto will win, guys. Because it's just, once we start seeing interruptions in mainstream global economies, we will, in people's lives, basically, we're going to figure out what's going on with this crypto stuff. And people are going to figure out what's going on with it simply because we'll have to use it for payments, guys. So we'll have to use it for payments. That is the main thing. Guys, I'm going to take off here. So if you came down to the live, we appreciate you coming in. Looks like this one is, kicking off. So hope you guys catch it. Hope you guys like the live and come down when you can, guys. I'm going to go study this shit on my own. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for coming on.